We're here at Pepcom and we are introducing the myQ Secure View 3-in-1 Smart Lock. We're super excited to be rolling it out here, taking our products to the front door, where we've already been dominating the garage door for decades.
One thing we were talking about earlier before anyone arrived is you guys are committed to actually putting under the hood stuff that is going to last, stuff that's going to be built correctly. It doesn't just look flashy and then break down in 6 months. So I appreciate you guys as well being, well, you're living up to the reputation of Chamberlain's.